Should I cut this one? Some vegetable glycerin, highly hydrating. So it's gonna be 1 and 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, highly hydrating for the hair, whether you add it before or after. To that, we're going to add some vitamin E oil. Let's do 1 tablespoon, or maybe less than 1, because that's a lot. But I do have a lot of hair, so. And we also going to add some black cumin seed oil. Great for hair growth. Okay, we're gonna add just a little bit, not even a little cap, so that will do. So let's add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and there we have it. So let's mix it all up, especially because the glycerin is really thick, so it's gonna be very, very liquidy. So there you have it, the perfect aloe vera juice for your hair. Now that we have our aloe vera juice mixed, let's get to work it. So much hair. So much hair. Always apply the scalp first and then in the rest of the hair. Now 15 minutes, and then we'll wash it off. And this is how my hair looks like after this wonderful recipe. So please let me know down below in the comments how this recipe worked for you and if you did try it. So I see you next week with another wonderful recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you would like to see any other new recipe that you're interested in seeing, please let me know in the comment down below and I'll make that video for you. So I see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Bye bye.